What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Unifi protocol, which has pumped up over 25% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at over $5 guys. So what is next for Unifi protocol? Is it likely to head up to $10 over the coming days, weeks and so on? And essentially looking at how high this crypto can go in 2024. Is this a crypto to be worth investing into this year? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we're going to be going through its prediction for the short term and for the long term in 2024, and looking at, is it worth investing into it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we are currently in the red zone, and majority of the time the crypto has been trading in the red zone. But right now we are in the lower part of the red zone, meaning to hit the resistance target we need to hit over $11, which again we got quite a long time to go for that, because it's going to require over 100% increase, which I'm not expecting at the moment. So for now, let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Unifi protocol, which is here in purple at $3.87. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at over $5.10, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, it is not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Unifi protocol over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down just below $5 is what I'm expecting. Reason being is, yes, it's done quite a huge increase in value in the last 24 to 48 hours. It is slightly overvalued, so it's only right it goes through a minimal dip in value, a step back down. So I'm not expecting any major drops or crashes. In fact, it is going to be minimal. Dropping down just below $5 is what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, now we're looking a little bit more skeptical. As you guys can clearly see, the blue line is looking bearish and the orange line is looking bullish. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Unifi protocol over the coming week. However, I am expecting the crypto to have gone for an overall increase in value, heading up closer to $5.50-60 is where I'm expecting Unifi protocol to be trading at towards the end of this week and early next week. Reason I'm not expecting anything much higher than that is because I'm also expecting red days in between, where the crypto is likely to go for a minimal dip in value. So considering the red and green days, yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value. However, it's not going to be a major pump or a bull run or anything like that. Heading just over $5.50 to $5.60 is what my expectations are at the moment. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are not looking too steep, meaning this is much more realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late July 2024, I'm expecting Unifi protocol to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading closer to the $10 mark is where I'm expecting Unifi protocol to be trading at, by the end of June to early July, the crypto should be heading closer to the $10 mark is what I'm expecting. So nothing major at the moment. However, because I'm expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high by late June to July, I'm also expecting majority of the cryptocurrencies to be hitting the green candles heading upwards, which means Unifi protocol should also be trading at a higher value than where it is trading at the moment. So what we're going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So the crypto is currently trading in the red zone and it is getting closer, well, not really too close, but slowly starting to head up into the red zone, and it is likely to head up into the resistance level potentially towards the very end of the year is what I'm expecting, because we have to consider the green and red days as well, guys. So at the moment, no major changes. However, if you guys want regular updates on Unifi protocol, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and bring on the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up near about 500% in the last 24 hours, making it over $90 million in trading, guys, which is a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious, it's gained a huge amount of value, so we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, which in return is also helping the value of Unifi protocol head upwards. Over the week here is up 45%. Majority of it was from the last 3 days, as you guys can see, hitting green candles, and it's slowly starting to head upwards and likely to carry on this way with the odd red days in between. And over the month, similar. Actually, we did see hit red candles later on in April and early May, hitting red candles, and right now it has started to pump up and it is up just over 24% for the whole month. So yeah, so far it has been so good, and hopefully the crypto can maintain its positivity with, of course, red candles, as they're always part of the process, but as long as we can slowly and steadily gain value, we should be good to go. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Unifi protocol to be hitting the $10 mark? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.